The 2 Tyres Guide to the Bridgestone R11. If you're a fast road rider or a ride to the track day rider, then the R11 could be for you. This is Bridgestone's stickiest road legal tyre, but it isn't for everyone. It's available in compound, soft or medium, so you can experiment to get the right combination for your bike. We have plenty of customers that use these to race competitively at club level. They're that good. However, as with every tyre, there is a compromise to be had. If you're a pure road rider, you need to think carefully before fitting these tyres. Yes, they will offer incredible grip when hot, but they'll take some working to get to temperature and have a narrow operating window, meaning if it's cold or wet, you'll struggle to get them to work properly. Is the trade-off worth it on the road? Probably not. And so we'd recommend an S22 or S23 instead. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website. Just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.